Today's class we are going to solve same exercise 4.2 multiplication of 3 digit and 4 digit. Yes, Ekans, practice makes a man perfect. Exactly. So if you practice the tables, you can also say like Ekans Prakar. Okay, children, got it? And Pradesh, practice well. Tomorrow again I will ask you next time. Let's move on to the class. Okay. So previous class we have solved A and B. Only two problems, isn't it? Only two problems. Question number 1 we have solved it. 165 into 268. Yes, wait ma, I'll tell you the page number. In book A, page number 68. Page number 68. In book A, page number 68. This problem already we have solved it. Okay, the answer is 44,220. Just I'm revising it. Second problem also we have solved it. 348 into 426. So after solving it, the product is 1,48,248. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. So listen children, those who didn't understand, please listen. Okay, now look at the question. Children, look at the question. 1,675 into 5. So here 1,675 is a 4-digit number and 5 is a 1-digit number. So now I am going to multiply this 4-digit number by 1-digit number. It is easy. Okay, it is very easy. Only one line you will get the answer. But if it is a 3-digit number means you have to multiply 3 times. Okay, so you will get the line in three steps, then only you have to add it to get the product. Got it? Here this is only 1 digit, no? So we can get the questions in directly. Okay, Kavina Anand, noted down here. I'll note it. Okay, I'll put present. So 1,675 into 5. Yes. So 1,675 into 5. So children, here you may raise questions that where should I put star? So here no star and all because we are going to multiply only 1-digit number. So now take 5 and multiply all the questions, all the numbers. So 5 5s are. See question, do it by yourself, Ekansh. So 5 5s are 25. Now I'll ask you questions, okay? Immediately you have to solve the problem, C problem and tell me the answer. 5 5s are 25. Thank you, Abhishek. 5 is here, 2 is a carryover. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2, 37. Thank you, Mitraksha. 37. 3 is carryover. Next, 6 5s are 30. Very good. 30 plus 3, 33. 30 plus 3, 33. So write 3 here and 3 will be the carryover. Next, 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. Yes, 8,375. So the answer is 8,375. Children, simply don't repeat the answer. Do it by yourself and tell me the answer. Okay. Please, parents, be ensured that the children are doing it. They have to practice it in their notebook. Children, please write it, solve it, then send your answers. Tarun, yes. Check your headset. Connect it again. Understood, children, this question? So 1675 into 5. It's very easy because it is only one digit number. Palak, no. Are you getting 7616 for D question? Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. What is the question? Question number 2. Okay. Mumbai. Okay. Mumbai received an average rainfall of 2,334 mm every year in the last 7 years. What is the full form of mm? So 2,334. Yes, thank you, Vishnu. 2,334 mm every year in the last 7 years. How much rainfall did Mumbai receive during the period? Yes. How much rainfall did Mumbai receive during the period? Okay. So every year means 1 year 2,334 mm. 7 years means what do we need to do? We have to multiply with the 7. Now I'm going to ask this question. I'm not going to solve it. So please solve it and keep it ready. Others, please don't share the answers. I'll point out someone. They have to tell me the answer. They have to tell the answers in the chat box. Okay, children? So, an average rainfall in a year is equal to 2,334 mm. Okay. Next. An average rainfall for 7 years. 1 year it is 2,334. 7 years means obviously we need to multiply it by 7. So 2,334 into 7. Okay. Multiply it. I'll give you 2 minutes time. If you know 7 tables, you can do it easily. Don't share the answers in the chat box, children. I'll point out someone. 2 minutes time, I'll give you. Vishnu. What did I say? It's okay, dear. Yes. Children finished? 2,334 into 7. Into 7. So first take 7 and multiply 4. And please, yes, I know here you will do mistakes. Instead of writing the ones place digit, few of them will write the tens place digit and you will take the carryover as a ones. You will take ones place as a carryover. Please don't do it. If 7 fours are 28 means write 8 here. 2 will be the carryover. Okay, 2 will be the carryover. Please keep it in mind. First number you should write. Second number should be the carryover. Deepesh, did I ask answer? Okay. Mm. Palak, can you show your note? Palak, switch on your video, show your note. Palak, are you showing your face, your note? Okay, then what is the answer, Palak? What is the answer? Yes, I can see you. What is the answer? 16,338. She's getting the answer as 16,338. Okay, let me check with others. Okay, now Kavinanand. Kavinanand, thank you, Palak. Thank you so much. You can switch off your video. Kavinanand, switch on your video. Show your note. 2,334 into 7. If you multiply it, what is the product? Kavinanand. Kavinanand, are you there? Okay. Devasena. Devasena, show your note. Devasena. So, Palak answer is 16,338. Right. We'll see one more. Devasena, switch on your video. Devasena, are you there? Devasena. Okay, children. We'll check whether the answer is correct or not. Okay. So 2,334 into 7. First take 7 and multiply all the digits. Okay. So 7 fours are 28. So 8 here, 2 will be the carryover. Children, listen. The first digits you should write and second digit will be the carryover. Please keep it in mind. First digit you should write. Second digit will be the carryover. Okay. So next 7 threes are 21. 21 plus 2. 21 plus 2, 23. 3 is here and 2 is again carryover. Next, 7 threes are 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 3 is here and again 2 is a carryover. Next, 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 2, 16. Wow, Palak, right answer dear. Thank you so much. So 16,338 is the answer. How many of you get the correct answer? Oh, yes, somebody said wrong answer. No, we'll find them. I'm going to give you punishment. See? Who said the wrong answer? Farida. Yes, Deepesh. Deepesh, please switch on your video. Before itself, Vishnu said the correct answer. Thank you, Vishnu. Thank you so much. Deepesh, switch on your video. Deepesh. Hello, Deepesh. Can you please switch on your video? Hey, am I audible? Why is not responding at all? Deepesh, switch on your video. You don't know 7 table. That's why you didn't switch on your video, right? Kavinanand. You have to read it, okay? Again, next class I will ask tables from you only. Yes, correct answer. Mitraksha, thank you. Deepesh, are you there? Can you please switch on your video, dear? Okay. I thought to give you some funny punishment. No, what? Ishanvi. Everything will be funny only, okay? I'm not going to give any severe punishment and all. Nothing. We'll never used to give punishment at all, right? Yes, Samara, thank you. Then who else? Okay. He is in the queue. Okay. Okay, children. So today we have solved only 2 problems. Video is not working. Okay, Deepesh, thank you, dear. Thank you. So we have solved only 2 problems. Hope you all understood. Children, do you have any doubts in these 2 problems? Yes, Lance Trainer. Do you have any doubts in these two problems? No, right? Very easy only, no? So still, how many of you struggling to solve multiplication? Children, if you are struggling to solve multiplications, you have to read tables properly. Tables is a base for us, okay? Without tables, we can't do it, dears. So please read tables. Please, now I'm okay. So next class, we'll solve remaining problems.